Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm taking you guys through the hidden gem of a hidden city in Kielce, Cedzyna. If you are looking for a place to relax, then I think this place is the right place for you to be. So let's dive into the video. This beautiful reservoir is a perfect place for relaxation and outdoor activities. So let's explore. Zalew Cedzyna is located east of Kielce and is a popular destination for locals and visitors. It offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. There are so much to do here, whether you are into
jet skiing in English, or motorówka in Polish, or scooter wodny. Then if you need a place to swim, the reservoir is also good for you to swim.
and for those who want to stay active, the trails are really good for biking,
With
for
tracks
juggling,
for
and they have a good place here for you to play volleyball. And if you really love nature, then I think Zalew Cedzyna is a good place for you to be. It has a beautiful landscape.
Tylko bądź delikatna, podnieś mu główkę. O! I będziesz miała, przepraszam, i będziesz miała piękną fotę. No, no, you got my photo now.
Zaraz zapytamy pana, czy byś mógł.
It's okay, Lucas. You can take it. Take it. No, you can move it.
Take it. Take it. Take it. This is fucking take it. Mały dobrze,
Bro, I did it. Thank you.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Bro, this is really scary as fuck, but
I know that.
it was really nice. Thank you, bro.
Many people, I just break barriers. You know what?
Yeah. Like in Ghana. I'm in Ghana now.
Napij się, bo stracisz moce.
Cheers. I need more energy.
More power, more passion.
More energy.
Now I am on my way to swim. The water is very cold, but I have to give it a try.
This might be new still, this thing might be new now, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new still, this thing might be new now, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. That billion that you gon' like, guess you never had a wild one like. One night, one night, one whole life. You know I let my whole brother cry, cause it makes feel a hella uptight. I got up from home when you is my type. You got the same vibe, that's what I like. Yeah. It's all about me and talk about me and looking like pics all day. Always say please when I got to leave and say anything to stay. They focus on being all that he needs and don't ever play no game. I love when you say my name. Take my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some pen out, shut your ass out. Take some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been doing my empty mind shit. I should've keep on losing glistening. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Now I'm tryna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm up, baby.
Yeah, you can stay here as long as you want. You don't have to go home. You can eat your dinner here. They have restaurants here, and they have like where you can buy ice creams and everything. And they have a playing ground for children also to play. And golfing. I don't know golfing in English, but they say right, golfing. Yeah, so they have beautiful restaurants here. So you can spend your weekend or all your day here. If you feel
Maybe
like
we can try.
what?
We can try spend here, or we can we will take tent and we will sleep here.
Yeah, we will try. And maybe we'll make a video about
Toilet
it.
and
Everything in here. So it's good place. So if you want to buy souvenir,
Toes.
some toys, everything is here. Pizzeria, right? Burger. Okinawa. Okay. Polenia Goffrey.
Yeah, coffee,
Ice cream. What is the kumpel zapiekanki? Kumpel means your guy or what?
No, it's something another.
Different? Okay.
No, it's not kumpel.
Ah, okay. The other one was kumpel. This is kumpi.
But yeah, it's also food here, like food trucks. So
Food trucks, restaurants.
so we can eat. No problem.
Now we have to pack our stuff. We are almost done. So
Misiu, ciężkie?
Tak, ciężkie. Tak dużo.
Workout.
Workout. Perfect.
O, ping-pong.
Ping pong.
Ping pong.
Ping pong. You don't have to pay. It's free. You have to show them.
Okay, cars.
You just have to wear our stuff. So let me tell you something. It's very difficult to find a parking space, so you have to be here earlier. If you come late, just know that you will not get anywhere to park your car.
Like us. And we park far, far, far on street.
So we will show you, don't worry.
And people still looking for space. No space for them here. And it's not only one parking. They have a lot of parking around, but all are empty. Full. Any empty space. Oh, Olivia. Illegal. People sit even there. But you can use bus.
Yeah,
Autobus.
you can use bus, autobus in Polish. So yeah, we can go bus, or you can take boat.
Look at your fountain. Aha, to basa nas była. Na koniu tańczę. This baby. W moim aucie.
A w głowie tylko miał.
Okay.
What you wanted?
It was really nice here, so you have to be.
Bye bye you.
Bye bye.